So Justin, it is morning for you, right? Oh, you are mute.
Sorry, no, it's early afternoon, 12:30. So not too early.
Oh, that's great. Oh, we have someone from Finland, Chia.
Yeah, it's good to see you all. It's a lot of people here.
There is a lot of people. It said 69 on the meetup page. Yeah, but good to see people. Yeah.
Yep.
Yes.
That's the power of community, I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
Someone from HQ, Anthony.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Good. So I guess some of you were at Codegarden. I can see some familiar faces, and yeah. I think we'll get to see some of you in the India meetup. I think it's the first one happening this year. So looking forward to that as well.
That's right.
It's good that we have this meetup, so we are not missing each other too much. It's many days from Codegarden today, so it's great to see you.
True. I think you are still in the vibe of Codegarden. I saw your boat riding videos and
yeah. Oh.
So this time it's a good audience. I think we have from Denmark, from Nepal. Yeah, Vishal is also with us. Yeah, Rashmita is also here. Yeah. I think we can start or just wait for a few more minutes.
I think wait for 2 minutes.
Yeah, yeah.
Hi.
Hi, Rashmita. Oh.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Nice to see you.
Okay. Namaste, everyone.
Yeah, Jill, please continue. Yeah.
So I'm Jill, and I warmly welcome all of you on behalf of Umbraco India community. And I would like to thank all of you for taking time and join us. So Codegarden was an amazing experience for all of us, and some of us attended in Denmark, and many attended virtually. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
I think it froze for Jill.
Jill, we lost you.
We lost you.
I'm so sorry.
No worries. It happens.
I'm audible now?
Yep.
Yeah. So before we begin, I would like to congratulate all the new and renewed MVPs. And if I talk specifically about India and Nepal, last year we had 4, and this year we are 9 MVPs. So it's a very proud moment for us. So let's start. Hi, Rashmita. Okay. What was your biggest reason to attend in Codegarden this year?
Sorry, I didn't get it. Sorry.
What was your biggest reason to attend Codegarden this year?
We have been working with Umbraco for almost 3 years. And to be honest, that I was following Umbraco in LinkedIn so rapidly, and the way I see the community building together, and working on the solution, upgrading the technology, that really inspired me and my both co-founder. And we thought that as we are the, I think, second agency in Nepal working on Umbraco, so I think it's very important for us to go there and to see the community. I think community is the very first reason that why we went to the Umbraco, and of course, technology is always there. So yes, just to experience in person the community, to see how other agencies are working in their countries, how they are doing a lot of things. So that's the reason, and it was amazing.
Oh yeah, that's great.
Yeah.
So I guess we have KU here.
Yes.
Yeah, so what surprised you most at Codegarden?
Each and every time they are showcase what technology can do in this year and how we are going to in next level. Like in this Umbraco Codegarden, they are show us like a agent kind of the things, and there are no limitation around the agent. Other CMS have some limitation, like you cannot do coding or create an agent out of boundary. But in Umbraco, you can do whatever you do with the AI things. So that things or new things, what new going on in Umbraco, that's amazing.
Okay. So Emmanuel, hey.
Hello.
It's night for him, is it?
It's a bit late. It's a bit late, 9:30, but yeah.
So AI seemed to be everywhere this year. So how was AI discussed throughout Codegarden?
One of the things I heard from one of our partners who traveled from Australia was there was a lot of AI, right? But it's the same. Any conference you go to, you hear a lot about AI. But most of it is that every platform or every provider is trying to push something down your throat as such. And with Umbraco, I think we are sort of in a different model where first and foremost, you got the CMS, you don't want to use AI, don't use it at all, right? So it starts from that aspect of saying we are not putting this or choking this down your throat. So that gives you complete freedom. So you don't want AI, you use Umbraco CMS, either the free version or the cloud version, right? And it's not in the core. So that sort of gives you first and foremost that freedom to decide whether you want to even use AI. Then after that point, it goes into the next level. Okay, you've decided you want to use AI, and then where do you go from there? And then that's the point where you decide. You get to decide who's your provider. We've got 5 providers with Umbraco now, right? You get to decide which provider you want to use, and then I think through Microsoft Foundry and Amazon Bedrock, I think you get a whole gamut of models and you can use. So there's a lot of variety there, lots of price points there, and as you know, recently the big thing is about how much the cost of AI has gone up, right? We are hearing some of our development partners there, their bills have gone up 60%, some 300%. It's just, and some people who have let go of developers are like, we need to get back the developers because AI is getting more expensive than the human anymore, or the carbon-based uh, life forms we have, as somebody said, that Codegarden. But so you get that choice, right? So you start from there, you get your providers, and then when you go in even into sort of enabling AI within Umbraco, you get the choice of, put in your own guardrails, put in your own testing. Those are some of the new things which came out. And then on top of that, you get to, define your prompts, your brand context, your brand voice, and all of that. So it's very configurable. Now, that might be a bit daunting to some people. And that's where I think, I'm not sure whether we've got any Umbraco end users here, but like that's where the Umbraco partners play a big part. You come and you configure these things for your end clients and you give it to them so that now they've got something easy to use. You can guide them, but you do the basic setup, do the basic configuration. And then if they want something really niche, that code is open source, right? So you can then go in and look at, hey, okay, this is what they want. I can extend it some more and work on it. So I think it's that the refreshing look for me from all the AI talks and everything which I heard is Umbraco has come away from being or presenting AI as this wall garden or this feature you have to buy to something which is configurable, free. Not that the AI itself is not free to use, but the packages are free to use, they're open source, and then the end users and the implementation partners get to decide what they want to put in there. So that's sort of my take from what I heard with AI at Umbraco Codegarden. One of my partners also said he was drinking a lot of the Kool-Aid at Codegarden and he couldn't just stop himself because it was so good. So maybe I drank some of that as too. But yeah, that's my sentiment.
Okay, thank you.
So there are two tracks like Umbraco in AI and AI in Umbraco. It's an nice gesture, I can say.
Yeah, so we have Debashish here, yeah.
The man behind the Codegarden vacation. I still remember his journey. Oh, we cannot hear you, Debashish. No.
Okay.
Maybe he need to fix his mic.
Yeah.
Always technical problems.
Yeah.
Okay, so Debashish, what was your favorite community moment during Codegarden? We can still not hear
He's
you.
still fixing his mic.
He must be a Google Meets person like me who comes into a Teams meeting and can't unmute himself. So.
I think meanwhile I have one question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, I think meanwhile I have one question. I think for Justin, maybe he can answer because he attended multiple time Codegarden. So seems very much so many talks around AI. So particularly any talk which you would like to recommend to any developers, they must should revisit or visit or anything.
Yeah, I mean it's each their own really, because everybody gets their own thing out of Codegarden, whether it's the technical talks, whether it's the softer skills talk. So I mean, the problem I always have is there's always different talks running at the same time, and you're always torn between which one to go to. Kind of you want to get a bit of all of them, but you just can't physically do that. So to me, it's kind of like, well, what do I want to see in person? Which of the speakers that I think present really well? So Richard Campbell, Jason Whitaker, those kind of talks as well, that not necessarily just pure technical, because I think trying to get all that technical information to retain it in your head over a short period of time is just impossible. So I think you have to spread it out a little bit, and just try not to just want to do everything, because I just don't think it's ever possible. To me, it's kind of like I enjoy the meeting up with other community members and just having discussions with them between the different talks, and people that I've either met before or not met before, just to get to know them a bit better, find out what they're working on. Just get a bit of kind of sense of where different people are heading in terms of technologies and ways of working and everything. So that's kind of for me what Codegarden's about. It's about all of it, and the fact that it was in Copenhagen this year was just, I think, an added bonus, really.
So you like that charm in Odense, or you like the Copenhagen one?
Yeah, I mean, I've done events for like 3 years, so it's kind of that became familiar. But I can kind of see now why it kind of the venue's obviously smaller. It's between different buildings, and how they've gone now to Copenhagen. It just there's much more scope to do more. It's nice that a lot of the format's the same, because it's that familiarity. It's just the venue, the location is different. I think it was a nice breath of fresh air.
Yeah, and about what you said about the all speaks at the same time, my opinion is that I prefer talking to people, and if I miss the lesson, the speak, it doesn't matter because you have titles, descriptions, and the people who does the speaks. So afterwards, you can watch them on YouTube or contact them, Google the subjects. You get that information, but you don't get those meetings with people. So I hope people are just not taking those speaks. They are brave to talk to people. That's been my best part of the Codegarden. The people,
Yeah,
and the
connect.
stupid
Yeah, the
talks
connecting.
we have had.
It's all about Pac-Man.
Yes.
And of course, you can go back. You can watch all the talks anyway on the app. So if you've got the app, you can go back and watch all of them. So they will put a certain amount on YouTube eventually, but that does take quite a while. But yeah, if you want to go back and watch something you missed or whatever, then yeah.
I think I've already seen some of the talks come on YouTube.
Yes.
So yeah. So I'm not sure if all of them are there out yet, but they've already started coming. So,
okay.
Yeah.
Good to
I
know.
would post it. Few of the talks are already there, so that's a good news, I guess. And I think as we all are over there, and that is the only place we will meet every friends from USA, UK, Finland, Netherlands, and everywhere. So that's a time to grow the community. And the first time I have seen that blog article, a specific Emma wrote about that. Behind the Himalayas. It's a lovely movement because no one knows about the Nepal, and this time it's like we really appreciate your work, Rashmita, that you are doing in Nepal.
Thank
Actually,
you.
yeah.
Thank you so much. Just trying.
No, that's good. If you can share something more about it, because many people may not be aware, or if you can share something in 2 words about this.
Oh, okay. So actually, we own an IT company back here in Nepal. And so every year, what we do is like we do a corporate social responsibility and we support to the we support to the students in remote area of Nepal, where we build computer lab, library setup. We aware people about the digital and we also teach them filmmaking, that how media can help to aware people. So this is something we do for more than 9 years and we have been doing till now as well. So yeah, this is what we are taking our social work and IT company parallelly. And yeah, that's what we've been doing. And I really like that Gia said that in the session, in the event, the most important thing is people interaction, because at the first day we were just attending the session, every session we don't want to miss it. And then end of the first day, we realized that I think we should also meet people. And the second day we started talking with people, we started making so many good, meaningful networks. And I think, yeah, we need to balance sometimes sessions, sometimes interacting. So that's how we can make a good network. So yeah, that's what we've been doing. And yeah, I like it.
So
At
what
the
is one
moment,
lesson?
I
Okay.
sorry,
No,
say.
go on, go on, go on,
Yes,
go
yeah,
on.
go on. Yeah.
I was making jokes about meeting Rashmita. I don't remember those all job cool things. I remember sticker bombing with her.
Oh,
That's about it.
Tigo. Oh, yeah. That's the place where we met. Yeah.
When we took the bike
That's
road.
amazing.
Both right, yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. That's amazing to meet. Yeah.
And now,
I think.
Jill, sorry,
Yeah, please.
now it's
That's
your
fine.
turn.
So, Gia, what's one lesson you are taking back to your team or local community from the Codegarden?
Yeah,
I
it's for you,
guess.
for the Finland.
Yeah. So if I want to remember one talk, first that comes to my mind was Adele Carpenter, the one talk about how powerlifting made her a better engineer, about the consistency, enjoying process, not just the goal, and those things that she told about individual work and teamwork, and took those same points you should do when you are working alone or in a team. That's one I remember because it was just something not so technical and not just about AI. It was something that you can use in everything you do in your life, in personal life also.
Okay, that's nice. So I guess we have Debashis back here. Yeah, we are not able to hear you.
Hello everyone, can you hear me now?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. And now the mic is out of vacation. That's good.
Finally.
So
Yeah.
Debashis, which session had the biggest impact on you and why?
There were a couple of good sessions. I would mainly speak about the technical ones because I attended the technical sessions. I think 3 AI sessions really stood out for me. One was by Matt Braceford. Okay, the other one was by Phil Whitaker, and the third one was by Shannon. Okay, all the 3 AI sessions were really good, particularly the one by Shannon and Matt. Okay, I think Shannon uh, explained how AI could be used to completely build a Umbraco site from scratch. Okay, it was really nice to see uh, that you can do something with AI, uh, you can give it some inputs and it can really build a complete website for you from scratch. Okay, that's something that I want to try. Okay, I want to give it a try. Okay, that's like a something on my to-do list. The other talk by Matt, I think he did a deep dive into, is it AI in Umbraco or Umbraco in AI? I get confused with it. So he basically explained or showed ways of using AI, not what you get out of the box, not just the basic prompts or the chat interface. Okay, he showed us how we can customize. Okay, how the developers can customize and get more out of AI. So these 2 particular talks, along with Phil Whitaker's, really stood out for me.
Okay, thanks Debashis. So I guess Nikhil, you have given talk second time on stage, yeah? It was about Umbraco education program impact. We would like to hear about your experience.
Yeah, I think that inspiration I got from one of the person who's always here, is Emmanuel and Gabriel. I think I still remember my talk the last year. I think we all sit over there in the last Codegarden 2025, and I was thinking that how if Umbraco is education land in India, because India has a big population in terms of the student and the universities. So we have given one try to the one of the university, and actually we got a registration more than 50, and I think it's a huge shout for, because we were not expecting those much people will gonna participate, but the 50 students on a first education program in India, I think it's a big moment. So
Yeah.
after that I think Asha is also with me on that stage. So thanks to her to make that education program went very well. And one of the universities still we are aligned with that, and they are thinking as an Umbraco with AI into the curriculum. Let's see how it goes. So that's a nice moment for the Indian community, I can say.
Yeah, that's a great thing for Indian community. So we have first time attendees
Before
of
that,
Codegarden.
just
Yeah.
sorry, Jill. Before
Okay.
that, we have a Tony and Mithal, both who were organizer at this year. They are from Umbraco. So we take a review from all of us as an attendee, but I would like to know from their side how was their experience as organizer.
Yeah. I think it's always great to meet the faces in 3D. Seeing you all in 2D is one thing. So that's the reason why we also decided to book our tickets. Emmanuel, Matilda, and myself will be there at the India Festival in, I think, August, right? Or end of August. I don't know. Has Matilda joined this call?
End of
End of
August.
August.
I'm here.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, it's easier.
Matilda is here, and I hope, Tony, you got the dates right. If not, you're in big trouble.
Yes.
I book my tickets.
I just realized I have a trip to Stockholm right after, but I managed, without knowing it, I booked my tickets correctly. So I won't be missing out on anything. But yeah, I'll get to see most of you at least at the India festival. And yeah, from an organizer point of view, it's always the coffee machine and snacks and the lunchtime. That's the best time to go network, learn about how people are using Umbraco and get all the nice ideas. I had my notebook full of ideas of, these are things people would like. And I've taken that back to the teams right after Codegarden before I forget. So that's what drives Umbraco also to build for all of you. So that was my take on collecting information, collecting what people want. I think the talk I'll be doing at the India Festival is going to be around load balancing because I can see it used to be very complex. That is not the case now with version 17 and above. And I want to talk about that so that we get more people who start with a load balancing first approach, because you can always build your solutions to load balance Umbraco and then always scale it to a single instance if that's all you need. But yeah, that's my talk. Over to you, Matilda.
Thank you, Tony. I didn't get to see a lot of the talks because I was doing so much talking at Codegarden. So we had the DevRel then at Codegarden, and you can maybe see behind me we have the sign here that we put up. So at the DevRel then it was me and Emma, Sebastian, and Lottie, and everyone could come over to us. We had couches where people could sit and talk. We had puzzles and little games, and we gave out pins to the people who came for the first time and stickers for the people who came for the first time, which was good for us because then we got to speak with many people who were there for the first time. We had a big world map where people could put pins from where they came from. So that's always good to get the conversation started. Yeah, so I spoke to many new people.
The one thing about that games, Matilda, I'm just asking that every year that games trophies, something like this time it's a Python and it's a real Python. I was surprised that.
Oh yeah, the prices.
Is it a Python?
Yeah, it was a real snake. I'm not sure of the breed of snake, but yeah, it was a real snake.
Yeah, the look on Matt's face.
Did he bring
back put it around his neck on the stage? Yeah.
No, no, I don't think he got the real snake to go home. No, no.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you for sharing, and we're looking forward to meet you both, Emmanuel. Also, thank you. Yes, Jill.
Yeah, so we have first-time Codegarden attendees here. So we have Anju here. Hi.
Hi, Jill.
Yeah, so what was your first impression when you arrived in?
Yeah, actually, it was my first Codegarden, first MVP award, and first Europe trip as well. So it was really special for me. And Codegarden was really exciting, and those all things, and receiving MVP award from a huge, in front of a huge community, and that was a great experience actually. And the HQ people and MVP and all Umbraco members, all they were like really friendly and welcoming, so that made me really comfortable, and all are really approachable, and the event was really fantastic.
Okay, so how would you explain Codegarden in one word?
It's informative, visionary, and approachable.
Okay. So we have Girish also here, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah. Hi. Hi.
Hey. So what was different from what you imagined before attending?
Okay.
before flying, I already looked on previous year photos, so I was expecting everything, and when I was noticing each and everything, I was very surprised. And see, I haven't more than I imagined. It was fantastic. Just like if you ask, like Anju, in one word, it's amazing. Everything was there, like not just knowledge, fun was there, good food, and exciting ideas and innovative knowledge, innovative ideas, and a lot of amazing conversation I got from there, and a lot of new friends. And we got everything from there, and it's really inspiring for each and every Umbraco community members and developers. So this will give a lot of motivation to each and everyone to do better things on next year. So we need to plan like what we can give to the community back, so that we
Yeah.
can improve the community better.
Yeah. So, which session should everyone watch there?
I think Umbraco in A. I mean, like everywhere was A. When I'm looking on the chart, like what all the sessions, everywhere I can see A. And I think Umbraco in A was in both days, first day and second day. So I believe like everyone could watch that one. Yeah, it was very
Okay.
informative. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. So we have someone from Nepal, Vishal. Hi, Vishal.
Hi, hi.
First of all, congratulations for being Nepal's first MVP.
Thank you. Yeah, it was very good to give back to the community. I think it was in 2024 I started when Robert Foster, I think he came to Nepal and started a workshop, and I was in the audience, and he put up my name in the screen because he's seen my contribution where I've answered in forum posts, and it was really good. And what I think is this Umbraco really encourages you to contribute back. My first pull request, when I made a simple pull request, and they gave me a badge, contribution badge, and I was just starting Umbraco at that time, and that sparked me to this. So that was my journey. I didn't actually get to attend Codegarden because of some visa issues, but our team were planning for next year, so that would be our experience. But I've seen uh, talks and pictures, and it's really looking forward to it. Yes.
Yeah, perfect. There is only one question from my end. One thing you would tell someone, anyone can tell someone attending a Codegarden for very first time. It's like, how will be that experience? What was the imagination and what happened on a Codegarden? Anyone can share experience. I might be the next time. I can also travel for Codegarden, so would like to keep in mind. No?
It's a friendly community. If anyone, yeah. I mean, it's actually a friendly community. First time we went there, like we don't know like where to start, who to speak, and I mean, we were excited, same time, little nervous, like where to start, and a lot of new faces. So, but when we entered there, everyone started with the high fives, and it was fun. Like everyone was very welcome type and friendly. So it's yeah, I mean, like it is amazing. Like it will not feel like you are on the first time, like first time you're meeting people. So everyone will be very friendly type. So just like Umbraco. So yeah.
Awesome.
I think Matilda is also at the
Yeah.
first
Thank
time
you.
Codegarden.
So yeah, I want to share. If you are planning to come to the Umbraco, then I might say that it's not typical tech conference. It's full of fun. It's full of like interactive and a lot of things. And I may suggest that, as Giri says, that when it's gonna be your first event, then you get confused how to interact, whom to talk, what to do. So maybe I would suggest you to participate in social events before the big events like cycling, running, a lot of fun is happening, swimming. So if you get a chance to participate and interact with people, so next day you'll see the same face and you feel a little bit comfortable. Oh, hi, hello. And that's how you get a little bit comfy and you just start your day. So this is something I would suggest. And if anyone is planning to participate in Codegarden, then it's going to be a lot of insightful sessions. So yeah, you must join. That's it.
Yeah, that's really helpful.
Okay, thank you.
I want to say one technical thing. One most important thing I got from Codegarden was confidence for our AI strategy. I think many can understand what I mean. We have weekly AI learning sessions where we are reviewing latest news and which model is best and use cases, costs. The cost management is the most thing. But like we have been trying to understand what are the most important points in AI, and many talks on stages and many talks with people around just made me confident about our strategy. And I think that's one really valuable thing for every one of us when we are talking together in Codegarden, that we understand in the world full of information and new things what you must focus, what is important, and that's really nice. And I want to thank you all from all those intelligent talks and all that information you shared with me. It's valuable for us as a company also. Not just fun things, like really, really important, valuable, not just fun.
Yeah, thank you, Jia. So we have so many MVPs here. We have Asha, Nikhil, Vishal, Justin, Debashis, Girish, Tanesh. So I have few questions for you. So I would like to ask Nikhil, how did your Umbraco journey begin?
I think I shared earlier and multiple times that well, because I started with version 4, like Umbraco Baby Boy, and it's a 17, and today it's a good moment, and I will even will appreciate that 18 is launched today, just 2 hours ago. Thanks to the HQ team for making always, yeah, Tony always on top whenever something new is coming. And Tony's from India. How many of you knows? Oh,
Born in Wayanad.
Oh,
So yeah.
great. So yeah,
Those of you
so
who don't
that
know, that's from Kerala. Just saying.
yeah, then you are landing back to the home for the festival. So welcome
Yes.
to home.
So yeah. Yeah. Cool.
So that journey started with version number 4, and I was facing some issue, and I just did my first issue in GitHub at time of version number 4, and at the time I got a reply in just 1 hour, and I loved the community on that day. Then I heard the story of Purnima, like Purnima Nair, and I got one of the highlight point that one of the Australian client who is using Umbraco for mixing the ice cream flavors, and I was surprised that Umbraco it is still happening. I think Emmanuel knows about that client and project because it's an Australian client and who is mixing those ice cream flavors, and that hits us because I was exploring CMS industries like, and Umbraco. I love that because of the community, and the community.
Okay, thank you. We have Danesh here. Hi, Danesh.
Hey everyone, hi again.
So what motivated you to contribute to the community?
It's all about the community and the people that very passionate and very lovable and very supportive, and even we can ask shitty questions. Nobody will judge us. So that's a very good thing when it comes to a community. So there are lots of learning, and when we are learning something from the community, we can give back to the community, and they are also encouraging both ways actually. So it's a great thing for yeah.
Yeah, okay, thanks. So, Girish, what first attracted you to the community?
Okay. So community is yeah, actually, just like Nikhil mentioned, like I'm also started my career with the Umbraco 4 project. So I mean, but the time when I started learning Umbraco, 7 was the latest one, but the project that I got was in Umbraco 4. But the macOS was terrible different, and when comparing with the 7, so I was always thinking like, oh, how are I going to fix things? Everything is different, and 4 is completely old, and I was very terrible. But when I looked on forums, I seen a lot of supports from forums. Like even if it's an old technology as well, like there are people are ready to help each other. And I mean, we started with the getting help from the seniors. So now, just like Danesh mentioned, it's our time to return it back to the freshers or other members who coming to the community. And the main purpose of community is like share the knowledge with each other and uh, learn ourselves and build a good career. So yeah, community wise, it's doing pretty good on Umbraco case. Like it's very awesome one.
Okay, thank you. So, we have Asha here. Asha, which contribution are you most proud of?
I think there are many which we are doing usually, but I think to be part of the Umbraco first ever Umbraco education program, that I can say the proud moment for me, where with the help of great support from Umbraco HQ through this training materials and the guidance, we successfully organized one program. And even though it was a conducted, I remember it was conducted on a Friday and Saturday. It was a Saturday morning where we had more and more students. They were trying to part of the program. It was a Saturday. Still we got some help from the HQ team, and that shows the enthusiasm to after this community. So that was the best moment. And they created the students. I'm talking about the students. The best part was seeing them proud and excited, where they created their website within just 2 days of a program. And where I saw like the youth and talent, the future of the our community. They were very excited and were very happy to knowing about this Umbraco. So therefore, that will be like a very close to my heart. So yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Asha. So, Anju, how did it feel to attend Codegarden as an MVP?
Yeah, to attend Codegarden as an MVP was that was a proud moment actually. It's to connect with new people from different countries and learning from there. It's beyond the sessions and all. It was really good. I felt good for that to connect with people and learning from them and to keep in touch with them. That was a one thing I really felt great for. And many other things are really there was a there were a lot of fun things were happening. And there were a lot of fun activities and all in the last day. And as an MVP, to see those all things and getting informations from others and to excited to share that to my colleagues and friends, it was I feel great about that.
Okay, that's great. So, Debashis, what's responsibility that comes with being an MVP?
I think a lot of responsibilities, I would say. I think as an MVP, I think one thing that I would say is like it motivates you or it pushes you to kind of do more for the community. Okay. I think that's something that comes when you become an MVP. Like you're always thinking about doing something for the community. Okay, so that's I feel is like a responsibility to give back to the community.
Okay, thank you. Justin, what advice would you give to the aspiring MVPs?
I would say, yeah, get involved. See what you can do to help and contribute. It doesn't really matter where you begin. It could be PRs, it could be helping out on the forum. Just try and kind of step above and beyond what kind of everyone else is doing, and just see what you can do to kind of offer. Help other people, provide advice, blogs, all that kind of thing. So there's no right or wrong way of doing it, and everybody contributes in their own particular way, whether you help organise events and meetups, all that kind of thing. It's one of those things you just got to just start whatever feels comfortable for you, and whatever you're able to do. Obviously, everyone has other commitments, they have personal lives, they have work they've got to do. So it's kind of we do this on top of all of that as well. So all the spare minutes that we do writing blog posts or answering questions on the forum and all of that. So it's a commitment, but it's nice to be able to give back. It's nice to see other people, nice to be able to help other people and see other people kind of be able to progress and everything. So yeah, that's kind of, I guess my ramblings, but yeah, that's my opinion.
Okay, thank you. So we have a long time contributors here who have attended multiple Codegarden. So Dinesh, you have attended multiple Codegarden. So how was this year different?
No, actually, I just got an opportunity to attend one time, but I won MVP
so
three
sorry.
times. But yeah, but it's okay. But I really miss the Code Garden actually. When each year there is Code Garden happens, I always think like, okay, I want to attend, but unfortunately this year also I can't make it. But hope for the next year always. Yeah, but the beauty of the community is like in India there is the Umbraco India festival is happening, and we can have a mini court garden here also. So that's a great opportunity. Yep. Let's
That's
blast
great.
together in India actually. Yep.
Okay, so Nikhil, what is
Yeah,
this
actually,
about the gift?
no, I'm still finding who has, gifted this to me at my first Codegarden. I'm still finding that
Okay.
person. If anyone can help me, and it's with, the password is also hi-fi you rock, and it's operated from mobile, and all the lightings are also around it. So Tony and Matilde, can you please help me? Who is this secret Santa? I'm still finding them.
How did you get that?
Yeah, I
I
got
think
Someone gave it.
Why did you get that, Nikhil? Is there a story behind that?
I don't know, but it's my first Codegarden. I was there, and there is a community. I think it's not last year. I think it won't happen, but every year there is an Umbraco Secret Santa. So you'll get someone's name. You just send some gifts. I also gifted, and I also got something. But I'm still finding that person that who has gifted this me, and he's completely handmade, like it's customized with the lightings and all. And thanks to that person, I don't know, I'm still finding since 3 years.
Oh, that's nice.
What wasn't that
Yeah.
Did
Steve
you check for
Penfold?
fingerprints?
Oh, there is no fingerprint.
Wasn't it Steve Temple that did the Umbraco Secret Santa? I don't think it's happened the last couple of years, but I think it might have been
Yeah,
Steve from Jive Digital. So he
Steve.
might
Yeah.
have I don't know whether he'd know who gave gifts to who or whatever. I'm not sure whether he'd be able to tell you, but it might be
I
worth
asked
getting
him.
in touch with him.
I
Oh,
Yeah, I asked
okay,
him,
okay.
but it's completely, one-to-one, so it's not disclosed. But there will be a
Okay,
log
he doesn't know.
because everyone knows there is a log feature.
You need to put it out on LinkedIn and see whether people can help you. Maybe the person will come forward.
I did that, but no one has answered that because no one wants to reveal that person's name.
Yeah, because that has
Tony,
to be somebody who's good at woodworking, right? So
might be Tony knew about it.
No, I don't. So you can't catch me like this, Oscar.
So,
Actually,
Nikhil, what did you gift? What did you gift the other person?
I gifted one of the good book because I gifted three times. One is for I cannot name that person. She's a lady, and I give him a kind of one cooking frog one time. Second time it's a book to have a good mindset, and third time it's kind of something, a travel pack. So it's like that.
Yeah. So, Nikhil, what changes have you noticed in the Umbraco community over the years?
I still remember my first Codegarden. There were only two Indians, especially two Indians, me and my partner. And to this day, like as back-to-back fifth Codegarden, I think the energy every year, that surprise is about that gala dinner or bingo game or whatever it is. But I think it's I can say that we are not just doing the coding, but we are enjoying the coding along with the community. So, and the second thing is that Umbraco, in terms of the tech, like it's always on top of all technology standard. For example, if any .NET Core new version is coming, C# new version is coming, their new release is also aligned with the entire Microsoft roadmap. So that's we all proud of. Thanks to Umbraco HQ team.
Yeah. So, Emmanuel, what excites you most about the future Umbraco?
APEC region.
I think Nikhil took the answer out of my mouth. Yeah, I've been where you've been, right? And the truth was that when 7 months ago, when somebody wanted to get hold of HQ, they needed to wait up a bit late to contact HQ, and we've now got 24/5 support across the world, starting from Melbourne, then it goes to Denmark, and then to the US, and that goes around the world, and that's really great, and that's where we want to see Umbraco. Yeah, it'll grow in the APAC region, but then grow across the world as well. And I think a part of it is making sure that the community grows. I can remember doing a talk before I joined Umbraco. This was, and I thought actually the superpowers were like just Nikhil just said it. One thing is technology, right? That's one superpower. The community, that's the other superpower, and then before I joined HQ, I was saying HQ was a superpower. I still think I believe that, right? Having been in this role for 7-8 months now, it's about how Umbraco is together, right? HQ doesn't go in one direction and the community goes in another direction. It's always together. Sometimes I keep questioning HQ as well. They're giving AI for free. They're giving Umbraco Automate for free. And then who's going to pay the salary of all the 90 developers who are working on the free CMS, right? So that's a question. But that's what the whole thing is about, right? It's about open source. It's about the community getting together and building something. And I think that's a really nice place to be in. And then even like I don't know, there's 57 people on this call. That's unbelievable, right? It's awesome to be in such a community so that we can build up Umbraco. So that's my sort of outlook for where Umbraco is going.
Okay, thank you. So, Tony, which announcement or roadmap item stood out the most?
Load balancing coming to cloud. I already said that. And I think I'll add to the list of free things Emmanuel was talking about. We are also giving cloud training completely for free after Codegarden this year. So if, that, and the way we make money, Emmanuel, just to answer your question, is hopefully people then use cloud eventually. So that's where we make our money. So we want the software to be free so people can use it, grow the community, but then we take a small portion when they start using cloud. So that's where the HQ can make the money. So, but yeah, load balancing is close to my heart right now because I'm helping the team make sure Umbraco is built to run at scale. That used to be a bottleneck in the past, especially for large websites. So now we're trying to take all that feedback and make sure Umbraco is built for big enterprise customers too. Yeah.
Perfect. We do have two more people who is like working in another technology. I would like to ask them, Mr. Ketan and Keyur, if you are here. Please acknowledge so I can ask. Okay. So I know that you worked with the Sitecore and the other technology as well. So I would like to ask, what makes the Umbraco community unique compared to other tech communities?
So Kayur is the right person to maybe answer, but as far as community aspect, I would say community aspect like Umbraco is far better because it's not just an community gathering. It's friendly discussion and the standout CMS across the other CMS as well. Like Umbraco is growing really fast. So as a business aspect, I would like to meet the people, know how we are adopting the AI, what next release is, what we are adopting, how editor is working, how we can support the customer to leverage the whole functionality. So business wise, I would say Umbraco is doing really good and it's stand out across the whole CMS. And that's what I'm observing. And as far as Codegarden and community gathering, I love it. Like it was my second time and Odense was good and then Copenhagen is very good. So that's all. Over to you, Kair. Yeah, same as Ketan said that community is really helpful and if I compare with the Sitecore, as I'm already told you that Umbraco giving you so much free as well as no boundary kind of the things to developer. For example, if you are compared the same AI agent with other CMS like Sitecore and Strapi, they have some limitation. You cannot do or create a agent which according to you modify and all the things. So it's so much different and I think after 18 version as Nikhil says that 18 is just released like 2 or 3 hours back. 18 has all the things which another CMS like Sitecore have same thing, but now after 18 Umbraco is more better than other CMS.
Perfect. We will also have a 18 meetup next week scheduled. So would like you all to join. Perfect. And now we have two people from Nepal, Rashmita, Vishal. I would like to ask you, how do you see as India and everywhere we are seeing it's like a fascinating about the Umbraco community and everything. How would you see the Umbraco community growing in Nepal? Are you thinking of any festivals or anything?
Oh, I think definitely yes. As India is very near to us and our neighbor, you guys are doing such an amazing work in your country, making a community and so many things. And actually, me and my co-founder, we were also thinking about to do something impactful session or make a community. So I might contact you to Girish or Nikhil or Asha to anyone. So we might need your help for building a community. But yes, it's in our pipeline. We'll definitely do something impactful.
Would love to do that.
Oh,
Would love to do that.
To add to that, we're going to start a workshop. I think I'll share the link, but we're planning to start a workshop with universities. It will be a 2-day workshop, 8 hours. So that's where we're going to start. I think it was in 2017 we started Umbraco Meetups, but one of the main developer got some sick. So I think we will revive Umbraco community. That's sort of in Nepal. Yeah.
I think the most, the challenging thing is many actually nobody knows about the Umbraco, not even the youngsters as well. So I have communicated with so many people when I reached here in Nepal. Everyone was so curious who was in my network, who is studying in technology, and everyone was asking about what exactly Umbraco is all about. So even not just the client, even so many developers also do not know. So our main focus is to first let's aware people. So what Umbraco technology is like giving value to in the market. So yeah, that is something we are thinking about as well.
Yeah, that is so awesome. And definitely you will find your future, the talent and everything in colleges.
Oh yeah,
to spreading
definitely. Like
to
Vishal.
spreading
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
So, guys, can we play a rapid fire round?
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So I will ask and let's see who answers first. Or should I pick someone to answer?
Let's answer everyone now. That would be
Yeah.
good, isn't it?
So, yeah. So, Codegarden in one word.
Awesome.
Insightful.
Amazing.
Unique.
Okay. Favorite fashion?
Unpredictable.
Curious.
Inspiring.
It's a
Okay.
country for me. I
Surprises.
can find my all friends over there.
Uh, Favorite speaker?
Phil.
Ezra for me.
Right.
Okay.
I'm going to say my boss. Others he'll fire me. Well, he fired me on stage, but
So you did yoga, Emmanuel?
no, I didn't do yoga, but I didn't attend one of his other sessions, and then he fired
Oh,
me because I was not there. But I'm still here.
Okay.
great.
Best community movement?
It's the first ever India festival.
Yeah. That's a great thing that we have been discussing from couple of years and now it's finally happening. It's a great thing
Yeah.
for the India community. So
Yeah, I think
next,
my greatest community moment, and this might sound a bit weird, it was, and Vishal also spoke about Robert Foster. Uh, Robert Foster used to start, he only started all the meetups in Australia here. And I can remember going for a meetup with just Robert Foster, myself, and nobody else, just the two of us. And he
Yeah.
kept on going. He kept on going. And that's the spirit of sort of Umbraco, right? Just keep going, and it's now brought HQ presence to Umbraco just because the community kept it alive all this while far away from HQ. So that's a real community sort of moment for me when I sort of reflect back.
And I think we would, much appreciated you guys who is traveling from Australia to Denmark because it's a completely an opposite side of the earth. Like it's around more than 24 hours, right? 30 hours around with layover and all.
Yeah. My flight back was a bit longer, 39 hours, but
Oh,
that was because of a long layover. But yeah, usually it's around 30 hours, 32 hours.
and I think that's a sign and the love for the community, I guess.
And
It's truly
quite a lot.
amazing.
And yeah, and even from New Zealand.
True.
Yeah,
Yes.
bit
This
further
time,
than
yeah.
Australia. Yeah.
Agree.
okay, so most
Awesome.
exciting announcement.
Okay, before you do any most exciting announcement, I would like to say thank you everyone for joining this. We have a familiar faces. Few people are trying to grow community. Few people are trying to coming up. They are also would love to, participate in a program for kind of MPP or advisory board or anything. So if someone can help to answer is like what they should do to giving back to community, right, and how they can be the very good part of a community. Anyone would like to share those thoughts with our audience?
I just pasted some of that activities that I think everyone should contribute to the community, because Umbraco is equal to the community. Because I still remember that the name behind the Umbraco is kind of an Allen key. It's Danish word in Allen key in Danish. So it's a kind of screwdriver. You can plug and play anywhere, whatever you wish to do, wherever you wish to do, and whenever you wish to do. And thanks to Umbraco Automate to make it open source and to just avoid the programmer's work to have an notification and handler to overwrite and send an event. But yes, I think we can contribute to packages and I think marketplace has a huge number of packages nowadays. And I can see that AI package is coming a lot. And I think everyone is moving towards to that. And of course, someone can, do a podcast or a meetup as Umbraco community teams is doing. You can also submit a PR to Umbraco official site, the community site. They recently launched, very nice one. And the forum, of course, you can help. And there is a community called Discord. Sorry, it's a social channel where the Discord and the Mastodon. So that also you can just join and just say a welcome. You will get a lot of replies from the community friends. And yeah, I think it's your, like, I still remember the Phillips word, like if you are working with Umbraco, then you are in the safe hand. Like we all are working, not you just. It's like that.
Okay, perfect. So that was about the it's like personally they can grow with by doing this all the activities. But I would like to ask the local community organizers who are doing this, what should we do to promote them, to take them on on a stage where they can speak, where they can show their talent and they come out. What we should do as a part of like a community organizer. So who are here? They can answer. Maybe Dinesh can answer this. He's also
That is
running
just drop off.
community.
No, that is just
Oh,
drop off
sorry.
because of,
My bad.
I think.
I mean, is this about getting people to come up and talk at like meetups and events, or is this about kind of just get, because not everybody. I'm personally, I put myself outside of my comfort zone to go on stage at the keynote. That for me is not something I'd naturally do. So some people just don't feel comfortable standing in front of a crowd doing something at a meetup or an event like that. But you start small. Find I run the Kent meetup, and we don't have 30 or 40 people. I mean, this is the biggest online meetup I've ever done. We normally get sort of 12 people, so you could start small and just maybe make it clear that it doesn't have to be a formal presentation. It doesn't have to be, it could just be a demo of something. It could be something really simplistic. It could be just talk about stuff they've been working on. Just any way that you can kind of get somebody involved, want to show off what they've done. Yeah, it doesn't have to be a formal PowerPoint and all the kind of fancy stuff that comes along with it. Just lower the barrier. Just make it as easy as possible for somebody to get involved doing things.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you, Justin. So yeah, by taking that moment, we also would like to, as a community organizer, we also would like to hear from you guys if anyone would like to present any session.
Emmanuel.
Yes,
Emmanuel
sorry,
wants to say
Emmanuel.
something.
Yeah, sorry. Go ahead.
And I'll just continue in with Justin's answer again. Yeah, that's a part of it as well. And then if you want to go and put a PR, there are people who are not developers who are who are MVPs. They're either advocating for Umbraco or been writing about Umbraco, or for example, there's a script crew who manage the script thing, then 24 days in Umbraco and so on. So there are people who are not developers, right? Or some may have in the past like been developers, but who can contribute in other ways. Another thing is with documentation as well, where you can come and support on Umbraco. So it doesn't necessarily have to be always, coming from a tech side of things. So it can be even from a different angle, and that's where people can come in, support, and then others, like you might be technical, you might not be technical, but if you're a meetup organizer and you're bringing the community together, that's a part of that's where we see MVPs being born. MVPs actually putting the community together, bringing them together.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you, Emmanuel. So yeah, that's what I was saying is like by taking this moment, we also would like to, as a part of UUGI. So you can also submit your talks here. You can take a uh, your session here on this platform. We would love to hear from you guys. And also by that way, we have 2 more meetup lined up. One is about the Umbraco 18. That's something we are going to do by next week, Thursday, same time, where we're going to discuss about the Umbraco 18 and a few more feature what has been introduced in Umbraco 18. The very next one is about the Umbraco Umbraco Automate. That's you must visit that, attend that session. It's all about automate. And yeah, anything. And one more thing which is coming, and which is very excited from our side, from this community UUGI. I'll not going to announce on this platform, but yeah, it will be very soon, and you all will love it. You all would be love to part of it. So for that also, I think we're going to discuss on that part later on whenever we'll announce it. But yeah, stay tuned. Something new coming up.
So something new is coming for the community, something in different matter and different resolution, different way, and we all just excited about it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think
So
1 hour is still, I think it's less to finish this. Exactly. And I think thank you everyone for, making this event successful and believes in the community like Umbraco India. And thank you, Jia, Rashmita, Justin, and many people like Kev. They all are, making it united. And especially we cannot say enough thank you to Emmanuel, who has a midnight, around midnight. And he's always with us whenever we need kind of, an India community to like especially specific epic, because I hosted a meetup in Dubai as well, and I found few people from Dubai as well, so they will also joining our next meetups in upcoming days. And I think that's the sign I can say that it's growing very well into this APAC and MENA region. So that's a good sign, I guess. And Rashmita and Bishal, like as you also mentioned that whenever you need any kind of things, just let us know. We will be there. We'll fly over then, and we would also explore something behind the Himalayas. And yeah, let's see.
Would love
Yeah.
to do that.
Yeah.
Perfect. So I would also like to thank you each and everyone who joined today, who share your thoughts on a Codegarden. It was a very helpful share on the thoughts on a community, how to grow community. Especially congratulations to each and every new and renewed MVP. So yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you. And we will end this meetup with call as a namaste because it's an Indian sign. And thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Namaste.
Cool.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Namaste, everybody.
Thank you. Bye, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye.
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 Bye.